Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into something super useful, a completely free AI navigation platform that brings together the best AI tools on the internet. If you've ever spent hours searching for the right AI tool, only to find it restricted or difficult to use, you'll know how frustrating that can be. With this website, Toolify, you don't have to waste time. It helps you explore and find AI tools that are truly free to use. Whether you need AI for writing, editing, video creation, design, or even coding, it's all here, ready to explore. Let's take a look. First, log into your account. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Categories menu. These include chatbots and virtual companions, office and productivity, image generation and editing, art and creative design, coding and development, video and animation, education and translation, writing and editing, and voice generation and conversion. Click any category to explore the tools available. For example, if I select image generation and editing, you'll see a wide range of tools, from AI image generators and photo editors to background removers, face swaps, image upscalers, and much more. Clicking on any tool opens its official website in a new tab, allowing you to explore its features and start using it immediately. No need to search manually. No matter which category you explore, whether it's video, audio, AI detection, marketing, business, or research, Toolify will instantly show you a curated list of verified free AI tools in that area. Each tool is listed with its name, description, and a direct link to its site. You'll also see important usage details, like how many free images you can generate, or how many times you can use certain features daily or monthly. That way, you'll know exactly what you're getting before you even visit the tool. And that's how simple it is to find and use the best free AI tools, all organized in one place with Toolify. No more wasting time, no more fake trials, just real, working tools. One of the best things about Toolify is that it's constantly updated with the latest free AI tools. So you're not just getting a static list, you're getting access to new and trending tools as they're released. Whether you're a student, content creator, developer, or business owner, Toolify helps you stay ahead by giving you the right tools at the right time, all without spending a single penny. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing AI tips and tutorials. The link to Toolify is in the description. Go check it out and start exploring today.